Hello friends, how are you? Before, in the previous video, we learned about the addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Now today we are going to study about the product of monomials. Okay. So in this topic, we are going to study about the product of monomials. Okay. What is a monomial? The polynomial having one term. A polynomial having one term is known as the monomial. For example, 4x, 3x, okay, 2x square, these are the monomials. Then how can we find the product? Suppose you have a question like find the product of 4x and 3x. Then how can we perform? Solution कैसे होगा? We can write here 4x into 3x. So we multiply, we find the product of like terms into like terms. That means multiply 4 into 3, we get 12. X into x, we get x square. Then finally we get 12x square, and that will be the answer. Okay. Now again we take another example. Then how can we find the product of 4x square into 5x y square? So in this case, first of all, we write here 4x square into 5xy square. First of all, multiply like terms into like terms. That is 4 into 5, what we get? 20. X power 2, x power 1. So we get x power 3, because in the power form, when base are same, then power will be added. Now y square, this is the alone term, so we get y square. So finally answer will be 20x cube y square. So in this way, we are able to find out the product of monomials. It's a very easy task to find the product for any student. If you focus on the video, focus on the topic, then you are able to find out the solution. Okay. Now again, we can take another example like this. Suppose you have, suppose you have a sum. Find product of 4 4p square q and 3pq square. Then how can we find the product of these two terms? For this, first of all, we have to write 4p square q into 3pq square. Q, that means power 1, p, that means power 1. Now multiply like terms, that means 4 into 3 we get 4 into 3 we get 12. P square into p, so we get p cube. Q1 into q square, then we get q cube. So final answer will be 12 p cube q cube. In this topic, we are going to multiply like term, that is p is multiplied to only p and q is multiplied only to q. So power will be added. Okay, understand? So in this way, we are able to solve the product of monomials. Okay. In the next video, we will going to study about the product of binomials. Okay.